Here's the number one reason why I like this squeezer by Leglo. It is stainless steel. Yes, that's right. Look how beautiful it is. And in my experience using other products like this in the past, the ones that are painted, the paint comes off, it's unsanitary, it's ugly. But with this, you don't have to worry about it. Plus, the others that are painted or had some other coating on them, it was hard to clean those. But with this guy, super easy. Now let me show you how it works. So you want to cut your fruit in half, and then the cut part goes down into the holes. And then this is just water. It's early in the morning. And you squeeze just like that. It's very easy. Usually there's a little more juice on the side. And voila, you have fresh squeezed lime in your water or your margarita or whatever you're making. And it's so easy to clean this guy up. I'm so impressed with this guy. I will put it to good use. I highly recommend it.